Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. So today I'm actually on the grader at the minute and I'm heading up the rally track that we have, and we had about 30 mil of rain overnight, so not ideal for country Victoria. Clay content in the ground, a little bit of gravel, but yeah, still want to do some training though. And I've got a rally driver, James O'Malley's come down from Tumut in New South Wales, and he came down yesterday. Rain was forecast, but doesn't usually rain here, especially not that much. We've had a really dry summer, so come anyway, and then it started pouring rain in the afternoon, but it stopped about 9 o'clock last night. So it's the first big rain we've had for all the summer, so most of it's soaked in, but some of it's stuck around. So got to take the grader up the track, cut out some of the corners, get rid of some of the mud and muck, and just make it usable today, because it's got a Toyota 86 that's recently had a Drenth gearbox put in it, and yeah, wants to be able to learn how to drive that, check if the flat shifter's working on gravel before his season starts soon in New South Wales. So head up the track and see if we can make it usable. So I thought I'd just show you what damage the rain's done to the track. So see, like these washouts here, just along the straights where you do braking. So the cars have worn like tyre tracks, and then the water runs down those and just makes mess down the track. So I'm just tidying that up. Come around the back of the grader. We'll see. We've got another quick pass over this, but yeah, it's basically filling that rut back in, so it's okay under braking. Plenty of moisture in the road, which is actually nice. So keep at it. Oh, perfect. Thank you. Have a thing out. In the reverse, you don't have to pull that. Do you just go to reverse?
Yeah, just cool. Yeah, neutral and reverse.
Yeah. So that's fine.
It's good.
This will be taking power out of the car too, or the loose gravel and mud. Got a nice rack in it.
It's brand new.
Yeah, right. Nice quick rack.
Standard, still standard everything.
Yeah, they're really good. Should that control that nice.
The boys have measured it to stick it in a Dachshund, but it's too wide.
Ah, right. Bummer. Just stayed in third there. Stayed in third there. The other lap was really good. Yeah, it's not too soft over there. I thought it may have been pretty good. I run right out here. Stayed on throttle then. Down 2 gears then. Might get a film on in landscape too, if you get a chance.
Oh, yep. On it.
It's really nice now with the brakes like that, setting up into the corner.
And you notice I'll probably drive it like a bit deeper and harder into the corner on the brakes, and then try and modulate how sideways you let it go. Yep. So as you're coming off the brake pedal, then you can either, come off.
Rough driver. Me, not James. Plenty of mud today anyway. I graded that bit too, so it's a bit loose. See how I'm up higher, and then I flick it in tight, right. Keep it in quite tight, and then I end up down there and just flick it late, and I can keep it in. Right. Don't lose that speed. And it's not much effort, it's just gathering up and using that momentum. I'll use a different line there, so it's out of the rut, and then through here. See how it's a lot faster, and then straight through there. Fucking hell. But I'm not, if you watch my steering on the next lap of my feet work, I'm not doing much work to make it happen, but it's just knowing that you can commit to that. Right. I know the track well, obviously, but yeah. It's actually not a lot of physical effort to make it happen. That was better, I wasn't. Sideways that time. Use a bit more speed that time, but it probably wasn't quite as quick at the end of the day. Two sideways coming in. So you stay on the throttle, a little bit of brake, up a bit higher, and then turn it in early. So I just drive it in on the throttle, and then keep it in tight. Too tight. That's how I felt on that last one of yours. So we finished testing. Car's pretty dirty, muddy day. That went well. Scrunch gearbox did a good job. Got James up to speed. The track ride out really well, as you see in those last videos. So did a good job. Actually, only big drama I had all day was this bumper popping off. It stayed on. Really good fun. Covered in dirt. It's a good day out when you're covered in dirt. Sun's shining. Been bloody hot this afternoon and muggy, but yeah, James has did a great job. His first rally's in a month's time up at Bathurst, so it's down from Tumut in New South Wales, so good luck to him. We were at some rallies, which is nice. We found a few little things that I do different to him, and we worked on that. the brake setup and so on. The car did a really good job, so I'm going to jump back in the grader now and give the track another grade, because there's some mud contour lines. Grade them back on because we're meant to get a lot of rain during the week. Settle the track in, and yeah, hopefully someone can come and use it again soon. We'll just see how we go with that weather this week. Make sure you like and subscribe as well. Let me know if you want to see more stuff like this. It's good fun. Phone survived, so that's always good.